Let's begin standing in the center of your mat. Bring your feet hip width apart and place your palms over your heartbeat. Put a slight bend in the knees as you take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, feeling all four corners of your feet rooted to the earth as you arrive here in this moment with yourself. Feeling your heartbeat, softening your breath. Release your arms down, open up the palms. And then on an inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. Let your right hand clasp your left wrist and tip it on over to the right. Bending the knees, finding a gentle sway here. Nice lateral stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, tip it over to the left, switching sides. That left hand clasping the right wrist, bending the knees, little sway, breathing big. And then inhale, reach all the way up. Exhale, bend your knees, open up the arms, swan dive, forward fold, Uttanasana. Forward fold, clasp your elbows. Let your head hang loose and find an organic sway in the spine, staying really grounded through your feet. Breathing big, the knees are bent. Breathing into the back of the body, just letting everything go. And then release your hands, round and curl, navel to spine. Find a little bounce on your way up, waking up. Round the shoulders up and down, and then inhale, circle the arms all the way up. Exhale, open them wide, forward fold once again. Breathe, fingertips down. Anything organic that feels good in your body here, just letting everything go. Breathing big the whole time. And then again, inhale, round and curl it up. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, open up, forward fold, breathe. Good, and then bring your fingertips down, lift and lengthen your spine. Put a slight bend in your left knee as you straighten the right leg. Inhale, take that right arm all the way up, turning your heart to the right. Exhale, look down. Switching sides, slight bend in the right knee, straighten your left leg as best you can as you reach that left arm all the way up, opening up your heart. Look down, and then exhale, release both hands down, round and curl all the way up. Inhale, reach your arms all the way up. Exhale, open up, forward fold. Breathe. Heel toe your feet mat width apart. Bring your hips down. Come into a yogi squat here. Good. Dip that left shoulder down. Reach that right arm up. Open up. Switch sides. Dip that right shoulder on the inside of your right knee and then reach that left arm all the way up. Exhale, center. Good. Bring your seat down, coming into Baddha Konasana, butterfly. Soles of the feet together, open your knees apart. Walk your hands behind you and inhale, open your heart. Exhale, crawl it forward. Breathing big, chin to chest here. Let everything feel good for you. Nice gentle stretch on our inner thighs. Breathing into the back of the body. Good, and then inhale, slowly round and curl it up. Bend your knees, keep your knees together, feet flat on the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm all the way up. Exhale, twisting to your right. Good, breathe. So that left arm is on the outer right thigh. Good, breathing big. And then inhale, center. Exhale, reach that right arm all the way up. Exhale, twisting to your left, finding that gentle twist. On the opposite side, breathe. And then come back to center, coming back into just an easy seated pose, center of your mat, Sukhasana. Good, lengthen your spine, let your palms rest on your thighs. For one more breath here. Good, and then reach your arms out. Inhale, circle them all the way up. Bring your palms together. On the exhale, touch your thumbs to your third eye. I know the truth. Right in front of your throat, I speak the truth. And then bring them right to your heartbeat. I always feel the truth. Good, take a big inhale. And an easy exhale. Wishing you love and peace. Namaste.